Welcome to Hack, Hint, Tip, Ways to Grow Your Home Embroidery Business with Hatch. First up, we have Hack, and today we are trying something that we spied on TikTok. So after you've embroidered on a towel, we are taking off the water-soluble topper. It's a little bit tricky to pull off, and there's a little bit of excess sort of left behind. I'm just pulling at it gently to try and pull it away. This is just a test stitch out on some test towel just to see how everything was stitching out. And you can see there's sort of some bits that are just sort of stuck, particularly one piece down here near the leg. The hack is that you try a wet tennis ball and it's meant to take it away. But it's a fail because all it did was make our towel wet and didn't dissolve the water-soluble topper. Next up, we have a home embroidery business tip. Here we're going to see how we can line up our hoop. So this is a magnetic hoop and I am tracing around it onto some paper. We have a series of towels we need to do in the exact same position. So I'm making a template. There are many different kinds of templates that you can buy in hooping systems, but if you're just starting out and you need to line things up perfectly, and this is something that you are struggling with, grab some paper and pen and a scissors. I've traced around the lower part of the hoop, as that is going to be the part that is going to be lining up onto the towel first. I'm just cutting around it, and what I'll do is this template will line up to the bottom edge of the towel and will mean that each time I hoop up, as long as I hoop my towel using the template each time, it will stay in the same position. So when I deliver things to my customer, they will all look uniform and neat and in the one spot. Okay, so we're all cut out. Take away our excess paper. Bring in one of our hand towels that we will be stitching on. And as you can see, they have this wider sort of decorative section through the center there. What we want is we want the embroidery to sit above that decorative line. So as we line up our template, you'll notice that the bottom edge of the template shows a little bit of that decorative line. That means that the hoop will actually cover that line so that the embroidery becomes closer to the decorative line and doesn't float into space. Our next one up is a hint. And here, this is an excellent way inside of Hatch to actually make your towels so much better. I'm adding a laydown stitch. The laydown stitch is built into Hatch. I've selected all of the design. And once I have selected the design, I have just gone to laydown stitch. On this one, I haven't even changed any of the settings. And now you can see that dark blue stitching around the outside has actually created the laydown stitch. Want to know more? Grab the Hatch Academy app, learn anytime, anywhere. Thanks so much for watching. Drop your own hints, hacks, and tips below.